In today's free photo editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add noise onto your picture in Pixlr online desktop PC completely for free. Step number 1 is once you have your image under Pixlr, click Filter. And once you're under Filter, go to the first tab, Details, and then Add Noise. So if you move this to the right, the amount increases. And as you can see, our image is getting more pixelated or decreasing in quality as it looks like. And this is the before, and this is the after. This is cool if you want to add a white noise effect on thumbnails or anything that you desire, but this is for educational purposes only. Subscribe to the channel for more free photo online video tutorials. Bye.